friends, my name is Isha Singh and in this video we are gonna make slime using just 3 ingredients and without borax. So let's get started.
To make slime we need something to mix with, something to mix in, a glue, contact lens solution and baking soda. So the first step is to pour the glue in the bowl. And then you can take your color and add, but this step is totally optional. Here I am adding yellow color. And then you can take a pinch of baking soda. And please stir it very well. And then you can go ahead and pour your contact lens solution in the bowl and mix it very well. Here I am adding my baking soda in the bowl as it is really becoming so sticky and not forming a slime. Now you can see the mixture is forming a slime. Now it's time to knead your slime with your hands. This slime is going to be really very stretchy. You can see it. And your slime is ready to play. You can see it's very stretchy.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Art of Craft. Thank you for watching and be creative.